morning. This is the morning movement in St. Louis, Senegal. So people are getting ready to go back and forth, get ready to go to school and to work. Yeah. Busy roundabout, you know. Okay, I guess I have to push myself off. Yeah. Very busy. Everywhere you go in the world is very busy. Policeman looking at me like, what is he doing? Came in last night, so I'm trying to head to the car. Someone told me this is bank day. I'm in I'm up in Chess, which is spelled T-H-E-I-S. Yeah, I'm in Chess, Senegal, waiting for money, but I'm not allowed one machine. I'm only allowed to take £3. The other machine, I'm waiting. Yeah, this is Africa. I've been waiting now an hour for a cash machine. It doesn't seem to be working, but I'll wait for the other one, because I don't know. I went to one machine. It gave me the option to get equivalent to £50, and I did not get it. They told me I could take £3. Now all of us here are waiting for this machine, and hopefully I can get some more. Yeah, that's the adventure. Day number 6 in Africa, but we'll figure it out. I'll try this one again. Yeah, he's trying something. I'll try this one. I'll see how it works. Keep you all updated. Yeah, I had me some luck. I had some luck, so yeah, just 10,000. 10,000. Yeah, so I do 10, 10, 10, 10.
For the total amount, you get it.
Yeah, but just 10, 10, 10.
No problem.
Yeah.
The most important thing is to get it your amount.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, so there we go. That's how we do it here. So I had to take the equivalent of £13, £13, £13, £13 until I got to the amount that I wanted. Because the full amount, the machine does not allow me to take that much out of it. So this is Africa. You know, let's go. Let's see what happens next. You know? Hey. So now I'll try and get me some food.
Facebook.
Yeah. Yeah, so now I stopped at a shop here. This lady makes some very nice stuff, you know. This is name
Benny.
Benny. Don't know what it is yet, but I'll try it. And this is Bisop. Bui. Bao, right? Yes, Bao juice. Wow. No, this is good. Yeah, so I'm still in chess. And everything cost me less than £1. So I bought one of this, and I bought another one with sorrel and ginger for 200 safer, and this 100 safer. So for 80 pence, you can eat very well. 80 pence. Merci, madame. So when you come to Chess, you come and visit her. 80 pence. I'm eating like a king. Ah, you have a marry?
Yes.
Ah. Do marry? Do. Do marry. Mais, il.
I'm not married. You're married?
No, I'm not married.
Why?
I work too hard.
Oh, you work too hard.
Yeah. In England, you work very hard.
Very hard.
Very.
Senegal. In Senegal too.
Yeah, England.
England work very hard.
Yeah, no days off.
Senegalese men aussi. Senegalese men work very hard.
Yeah. Okay. Your sister, vous fils, sister in French.
Sister. Sir.
Sir, yeah.
Sir in French.
Yeah, vous savez pour moi. Ouais.
Wow.
Internet is not very brief because the windows are up and I am hot. This is Senegal's motorway, the N3. If you can hear me, yeah, I'm taking it to a place called Bambey. Yeah, there's a place called Bambey in Senegal. Yeah, it's not that Disney there. No, Bambey. Yeah, because I'm trying to get to a place called Kaolack. Then after Kaolack, get to Fenafeti. I just made that stuff up. I lied. I do not remember the name of, but I remember it's Feni something. And that's where I'm going to cross the border into Gambia because of less traffic and less hassle at that border crossing. So we are on the N3 of Senegal's new motorway. Viva l'Afrique! Let's go! Yeah, I'm in Bambey. Well, Bambey, you see Bambey?
Why?
Oh, yeah. I'm in Bambey. I'm driving and it's too damn hot. Inside of the van, it says it was 43 degrees. Outside, 39 degrees. So I had to get me some water. And I just, yeah, she gave me this chair. You know, I like it though. This is my style, not the city. I can sit and kick back and relax. You know, this is my style. Slow pace, nice and easy. Oh yeah. I tell you. Move Well, me reporting from Bambey. I can't make it tonight to Bambey.